guys! Welcome to Legen-Dairy Food Wars!
Hi everyone, I'm Lex and I do web and social management.
I'm back.
Welcome back! Hello!
I'm Kay and I'm a certified speech-language pathologist.
I'm Shanna and I am a marketing professional for a Korean food store.
Annyeong! Korean food store pala!
Okay, so we're doing mac and cheese today. For the longest time, I've never eaten mac and cheese. So, chef, bring it on! Yeah, let's go! Kanino inspired to? She cooks? Okay, sige, game.
Parang lugaw. Sorry, Riri. Music na lang.
Parang hindi mo tayo.
May secret
No, I know now. There's a lot of mustard in this, I think. Not your usual mac and cheese, but Rihanna's not your usual superstar.
Egg and mustard, chef. Yeah, the combination of the mustard and egg. Para siyang pwedeng palaman, pero no, kasi may carbs na siya.
Ang strong ng flavor. Pero yung texture, I didn't really like the texture. Kita naman sa facial expression ko kanina.
If you have like a hot dog sandwich, tapos instead of like a chili dog, oh my gosh,
Yung
parang ang
garnish
sarap
niya, no?
nitong
Yeah,
ano,
actually.
ipang top dun sa hot
Yeah.
dog.
Tapos meal mo na yun. Busog ka na after.
Actually.
Parang cake.
I like the smell of this.
Sarap.
A lot more subtle.
Yeah.
Very mild yung cheese, especially compared to the previous one. This one tastes more cheesy, definitely like a classic mac and cheese.
Oo nga. Mas-trip ko to. Marami pa to. Gusto ko to, sarap. Parang kaya to ng anyone who's watching eh. Abangan nyo na lang yung recipe pag na-post.
But I prefer the wild punch of Rihanna's
Kanina.
recipe. I don't agree. Meron
I
akong
object. I like this better. Natitinig ba to? ASMR. Okay, thank you po.
It's so familiar. But what's this cheese? Quickmelt? Nag-melt palang Quickmelt ng Danes, guys. Guy Fieri, if you're watching this,
Yes, wow. Welcome to the Philippines. Feels homey eh, feels homey. I think na masarap siya for breakfast. Nothing compares yung kay Guy Fieri.
my favorite mac and cheese, balimbing. I really liked Rihanna's then because I love strong flavors. I could taste that from Rihanna's. And then I also really love the third one from Guy Fieri. I'm a garlic monster. You can taste it from just the melted cheese sauce. And I thought those crunchy bits on top were garlic flakes, but no guys, it's grated Danes cheese.
For me, the best mac and cheese would be the third one. Sorry, I don't like Riri's. Mukha siyang sopas
Chef,
na... I'm sorry, chef. Pero hindi naman niya recipe
Sorry,
yun.
Riri.
Sorry, Riri. I'm a huge fan of Riri naman. Pero in terms of the recipe,
Story of my life.
So I enjoyed this episode. Buti na lang walang ampalaya with cheese or ampalaya.
So again, like my first time, I super enjoyed, and then I met pa two new people. And then Shanna pala is Chingu. Charot.
I really love and enjoy all the dishes except my Riri. I really...
Patawad na.